In this video you will learn how to connect your Samsung Soundbar to the Subwoofer Without a Remote, power on both devices, plug in and turn on your Samsung Soundbar and the subwoofer. Locate the ID set button on the subwoofer. On the back of your subwoofer, find the small ID set card button. Press and hold down the ID set button. Hold it with a pin or paper clip until the standby indicator lightly blinks. Go to the soundbar physical button on the top or side of your soundbar. Press and hold the ID set or the pair and link button if available. Wait for the connection. The soundbar and subwoofer should attempt to pair automatically. The blue LED lights on the subwoofer will stay solid when it is connected. Test the sound. Play audio through the soundbar to confirm the subwoofer is producing bass. Now you know how to connect the Samsung Soundbar to the subwoofer without a remote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.